Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to change your personal information on Instagram mainly for your birth date. All you have to do is to go through your phone and search for your Instagram application. Next, press on the down right corner of your account and finally on Edit Profile. Choose where it's written Personal Information Settings. You should be able to see where it's written birth date, and that's where you will press. If you are changing your birth date, know that dates that are beyond 2016 can't work. If you finish inputting your date of birth, then press on the tick in the upper right corner. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.